development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging wind
We watch
in
YouTube.
and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 678 has been issued until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday for the following counties: in Missouri, Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, McLean, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Tippy, Webster, and Wright. The current time is 10:20. For tonight, weather hazards expected: limited tornado risk, elevated hail risk,